Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to calculate a 30% discount on any price using a calculator. This is super handy when shopping or trying to figure out sale prices quickly. Let's say you have an item that costs $100 and the store is offering a 30% discount. All you need to do is multiply the original price by 0.3. So on your calculator, type 100 times 0.3. The result is 30, which is the amount of discount. Next, subtract that discount from the original price. So you do 100 minus 30, which equals 70. That means the final price you'll pay is $70. Here's another example. If an item costs $250 with a 30% discount, type 250 times 0.3 to find the discount amount, which is 75. Then subtract it from 250. 250 minus 75 equals 175. So the final price is $175. And one more quick example for practice. If a jacket costs $80 and it's 30% off, multiply 80 times 0.3, which equals 24. Then subtract 80 minus 24, and the final price is $56. And that's it! Super quick and easy! If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more practical math and tech tips, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss my next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.